Velouté looks simple, but one small mistake can ruin the texture. Let me show you what goes wrong and how to make it properly. A velouté is a sauce made by combining a light roux with stock. The texture should be smooth and fluid, never thick and pastry. The flavor should be delicate with enough body to support the dish without overpowering it. Let's begin with what often goes wrong in the kitchen. The roux is too dark when the butter and the flour is cooked too long or too high. When the roux looks like this, it is not cooked enough. Cook just enough to remove the raw flour taste but keep it pale. If you do not whisk well from the beginning, the flour settles in places and thickens unevenly. Now let's make it properly. I melted the butter gently on a low to medium heat. The butter should not be browned. It should stay clear. The butter should look like this. Add the flour and stir continuously. Cook it just enough to remove the raw flour taste, but keep it pale. For velouté, the roux should stay light. You are building texture, not color. The flour has been cooked until pale. The end result should look like this. Use a good stock and keep it warm before adding it. Warm stock blends more smoothly into the roux and helps prevent lumps. If you have made it this far, thank you. Consider liking and subscribing, and also turn on the notification bell to see more videos of this type. Start with a small amount of stock. Whisk until smooth before adding more. Then continue little by little until the sauce loosens and becomes silky. I am using here a chicken stock. Let me know in the comment below if you want me to show how I made this stock. I am using here a heavy steel pan. This helps in controlling the heat and preventing the sauce from burning. This is the most important part. Keep stirring. Make sure every lump is smooth before you stop. I brought the sauce to a gentle simmer, not a fast boiling, so that the flour can fully absorb into the sauce and the texture becomes refined. You know the sauce is ready when it's coated on the spoon and you can make a line using your finger. This is a beautiful silky sauce. Just look at this. Looks so delicious already. I season to taste using white pepper and salt. This tastes absolute delicious, especially combined with a chicken meal. I added some butter at the end. This adds more flavor and shine to the velouté. And finish with some chive. This helps to enhance the flavor, but you are not obliged to do this. You can strain the sauce before adding the chive to achieve a smooth sauce, but I didn't do that because of the method I used. You can see the end result here. Now, the sauce is where it should be, smooth and balanced. This is how velouté should look like. Leave all questions in the comments below and I'll be very glad to answer them all. Voila, velouté served with roasted chicken. How delicious is this? Make sure to check out the next video on the screen to see more delicious recipes coming out of our channel.